How to send photos on TikTok messages. First of all, head over to your application TikTok and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on this inbox icon at the bottom. Head over to the inbox of the person that you want to send the photos. So right here you can see that there is no any direct option where you can send the photos on TikTok message. But still there is an alternative way to send photos. What you want to do is go back and tap on this plus icon at the bottom. Now tap on this upload. It will open up your gallery. From here select the pictures that you want to send to that person. Let me select these pictures for now. Once you have selected the photos, tap on next at the bottom right corner. The photos has been selected. Now once again tap on next at the bottom right. In this section you can also write the captions. And once you are done, tap on post. The photo will be uploaded to your feed. Once the photos has been uploaded, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the post that you have just posted. At the bottom right corner, you will get to see the share icon. Tap on it. Select the person that you want to send this picture. And then tap on send. So there you can see that the photo has been successfully sent to that person. Likewise, you can send any of the photo that you want on TikTok and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can send photo on TikTok. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.